Every year, the U.S. gives away about 55,000 green cards for free through the Diversity Visa Lottery, and every year, a huge number of entries are thrown out for one avoidable reason: the photo. The entry is free, but a photo that fails the check makes it invalid with no appeal. Here is exactly what the 2026 photo needs and how to make one free. First, size. The lottery photo is square, 2 inches by 2 inches, the same as a U.S. passport photo. Uploaded, it is a JPEG between 600 and 1200 pixels on each side. Your head must fill between 50 and 69% of the height, from the chin to the top of the head. Second, the background. It must be plain white or off-white, evenly lit, with no shadow behind your head and nothing in the frame. A clean white background is the single most common thing people get wrong. Third, you and how recent it is. The photo must be taken within the last 6 months, and you cannot reuse a photo from a previous entry. Neutral expression, both eyes open, mouth closed. No glasses, and no hat or head covering, unless it is worn daily for religious reasons. Fourth, the digital file. It must be a square JPEG between 600 and 1200 pixels, in full color, and under 240 kilobytes. Blurry, pixelated, or overcompressed images are rejected by the upload tool. Fifth, and the big one for 2026, the State Department now rejects any photo touched by AI or a beauty filter, and many phones do this automatically. Your face must look like you, untouched. Cropping and a white background are fine. Editing your face is not. Remember, there is no appeal, so a bad photo simply wastes your one free shot. The next lottery, DV 2028, is expected to open around October 2026, free at dvprogram.state.gov. Beware of sites that charge you. Prepare your photo now. Take one clean shot on a white wall, then crop it, and set a true white background free at IDPhotoSnap, which never edits your face. Good luck!